Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Reflect nodes or reflecting. If we take a perfect square, hold down the control button, hit P, don't really have to, go up to object and convert it to a curve. When you get the shape tool, you can move these nodes around, whatever you want to do. If you will select these two nodes, they'll both go with you. But if you go right here and click just one time and then do that node, look what happens, it reflects it. Same thing, that was that away. Now we could grab these two and go vertically. Now, what's nice about this, once you click off of it, it won't do it. See, it's still in that mode, but if you could actually turn that off and then get both those nodes this way. So it's like an on and off button. This should still be on if we grab these two. See, it's still working, but that's the only gripe I've kind of got with Corel. You can't really tell if that's on or off. You can lightly see a box on both of them. So you could leave that on and go that way, and it's still on, and you can go this way. Now that's going to really be kind of hard to do anything with because it's reflecting it. Anyway, I hope that helped you just a little bit. Thank you for watching.